Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So we'll be continuing with our Allen's keynote division series with our next drug, Nux vomica. Common name, poison nut, family, Loganaceae. Constitution, one of the best remedies with which to commence treatments of cases that have been drugged by mixtures, bitters, vegetable pills, nostrums or quack remedies, especially aromatic or hot medicines, but only if symptoms correspond. Adapted to thin, irritable, careful, zealous persons with dark hair and bilious or sanguine temperament, disposed to be quarrelsome, spiteful, malicious, nervous and melancholic. Debauchers of a thin, irritable, nervous disposition, prone to indigestion and hemorrhoids. Nux is chiefly successful with persons of an ardent character, of an irritable, impatient temperament, disposed to anger, spite of deception, Hahnemann. Anxiety with irritability and inclination to commit suicide, but is afraid to die. Hypochondriac, literally studious persons who are too much at home, suffer from want of exercise with gastric abdominal complaints and costiveness, especially in drunkards. Mental generals, persons who are particular, careful, but inclined to become easily excited or angered, irascible, prone to outbursts of temper, easily angered, and tenacious. Physical generals, bad effects of coffee, tobacco, alcoholic stimulants, highly spiced or seasoned food, overeating, long continued mental overexertion, sedentary habits, loss of sleep, aromatic or patent medicine, sitting on cold stones, especially in warm weather, oversensitive to external impressions, to noise, odors, light or music. Trifling ailments are unbearable. Every harmless word offends. Pains are tingling, sticking, hard, aching, worse from motion and contact. Tendency to faint from odors in morning, after eating, and after every labor. Pain. Cannot keep from falling asleep in the evening while sitting or reading hours before bedtime and awakes at 3 or 4 am. Falls into a dreamy sleep at daybreak from which he is hard to arouse, and then feels tired and weak. Nose, catarrh, snuffles of infants, coryza dry at night, fluent by day, which is aggravated in a warm room, better in cold air, from sitting in cold places on stone steps. Gastrointestinal system. Irritations, sour, bitter, nausea and vomiting every morning with depressions of spirits after eating. Nausea, constant after eating, in morning from smokings and feels as if I could only vomit I would be so much better. Stomach pressure an hour or two after eating as from a stone. Pyrosis, tightness, must loosen clothing, cannot use the mind for 2 or 3 hours after a meal. Sleepy after dinner from anxiety, worry, brandy, coffee, drugs, night watching, high living, etc. Constipation, with frequent unsuccessful desire, passing small quantities of feces, sensation as if not finished. This frequent desire for stools, anxious, ineffectual, which is aggravated, which is better for a long time after stool, in morning after rising, after mental exertion. Alternate constipation and diarrhea in persons who have taken purgatives all their lives. Strangulated hernia, especially umbilical. Female reproductive system, menses, too early, profuse, lasts too long, or keeping on several days longer, with complaints at onset and remaining after. Every 2 weeks, irregular, never at right time, stooping and starting again, during and after, which is aggravated of old symptoms. Labor pains, violent, spasmodic, cause urging to stool or to urinate, which is aggravated in the back. Prefers a warm room. Back, backache, must sit up to turn over in bed. Lumbago from sexual weakness from masturbation. Nervous system, convulsions with consciousness, which is aggravated by anger, emotion, touch, moving, fever. Repugnance, which is extreme dislike or aversion to cold or to cold air. Chilly, on least movement from being uncovered, must be covered in every stage of fever. Chill, heat or sweat. Fever, great heat, whole body burning hot, face red and hot, yet patient cannot move or uncover without being chilly. Modalities: aggravation, morning waking at 4 am, mental exertion after eating or overeating, touch, noise, anger, spices, narcotics, dry weather and cold air. Amelioration, in evening, while at rest, lying down and in a damp weather. Relations, complementary to sulfur in early all diseases, inimical to zinc but must not be used before or after. Follows well after arsenic, ipecac, phosphorus, sepia, sulfur is followed well by bryonia, pulsatilla, sulfur. Nux should be given on retiring or, what is better, several hours before going to bed. It acts best during repose of mind and body. Thank you.